Okay, good. I think we're recording. Okay. You guys have your quizzes opened up, or do you need a minute?
I'm getting mine now.
I have mine opened
Perfect.
up, so I'm ready for whenever.
Okay.
Hello.
Hey, Ronaldo.
Hi.
Okay, I'm good.
All right. Ronaldo, do you have your quiz opened up yet, or do you need a minute?
Yes. I'm opening now. Yes,
Okay.
I'm ready. Anyone, please. Go on.
All right. So I'll start with number 3. In the previous lessons, we had assumed that the population standard deviation was known. In this lesson, we are making a different assumption about the sigma. What has changed? And I put, we assume the sigma is unknown.
Yes, that's
Agreed.
correct. Agree.
I can do question 4. For the next 2 questions, let the null and alternative hypothesis be mu equals h, or 8, and is greater than 8. Assume that the population standard deviation sigma is not known. Becca. Oh, sorry, guys. He's 6 weeks.
6 months.
Oh, awesome. Sorry, guys.
That's okay.
Becca collects a sample of size n equals 9 and computes x bar equals 11 and s equals 6. Is sigma known? Right?
No.
Yeah, it's not known, yes.
Yeah.
It's not known.
Okay, I was like, question.
So it's not known, because I thought that when it was a sample, you go off of the sample standard deviation, which is 6.
Yeah, but that's the samples, not the population.
Oh, that, yeah, okay. Okay, yeah. You're right. That was a blonde moment. Sorry.
No problem.
Goodness.
Alrighty. What is the value of t? Isn't that using the equation that we were given? We calculate what t is.
Yes.
I think so.
Maybe 1.5.
So
11 minus 8 divided by 6 divided by 3.
So how do you get to t on this one? I'm not sure. So
Just, let's see here.
it says x bar minus mu divided by s divided by the square root of n.
And yes, absolutely. I got 1.5.
okay, so it's okay, so it's so the 11 minus the 11 minus 8 divided by the square root of 9, so 3 divided by 3. Okay. So it's the 11 minus 8 divided by 3, right?
11.
Or is it?
Divided by 3. No?
I think it's 11 minus 8
divided by 2.
Then divide by
3.
And then it's isn't it 3 divided by the square root of n?
Mm-hmm.
And then you divide.
Be 3.
It's s divided by the square root of n.
Oh, s divided by the square root of n. Okay,
yeah, so
there we
6
go.
divided by what would be 3.
I got 1.5, the final answer.
I got not that. Let me check mine.
Yep, that's what I got.
1.5.
Everybody, 1.5?
Yep.
Sounds good.
All right. Use the following values, which were pulled from the data file body temp for the next 5 questions, or yeah, next 5 questions. Copy and paste. Blasey, blasey. Okay. Let me.
We need to copy and paste only this sample. That's correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you using the spreadsheet quantitative inference procedures?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Okay, okay.
So I've copied that in. It says, what is X bar? And I put it as null hypothesis is 98.6 and the type of test is a less than.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
And my X bar I put at 98.234.
That is what I have.
Perfect.
Yes, I got 98.220. Sorry, what did you find?
I got 98.234.
Oh, 234. Okay.
Yeah, so I think I have the entire data set for the file body temp in my thing, and I think that might be the same thing as you, Danny. And so that might adjust it slightly as having more numbers rather than just having the ones that are here in the quiz.
Oh.
So do you think he just wants the ones in the quiz, or?
I don't know, because he said it was the data off the.
So use the following value. So use these values specifically.
Oh, well.
Yes.
Okay.
What is this value? 220, no?
I don't know. I'll have to fix mine. So it goes. Okay, so it stops. How many do they have?
98.220. I got. X bar.
98.220 is what I have as well.
Oh, yes.
98.220 is what I have as well.
Yes.
98.220.
I'm glad you caught that. Thank you.
Yeah, because I was like, if we're both using the Excel sheet, it should be the exact same. So that was the only thing I could think of.
Yeah, well, when it said to use the body temp, I was like, oh, okay, well, just use that spreadsheet. I should have read closer. Sorry. There you go.
Alrighty. So what is S? For number 7, and that should be 0.922.
Yes,
Perfect. That's what I've got.
Sorry, guys.
Okay,
wait.
Funny.
Can you explain to me how you got that?
So what I did is just based off of what I have open in the spreadsheet with the mean and all the numbers plugged in for the standard deviation. So I, in the spreadsheet under standard deviation, I just put the formula for standard deviation based off of the numbers.
Oh, okay.
Because we've already learned about standard deviations and doing the formulas, and so I just sort of did it that way. I don't know if that's cheating or not. I don't think so. It's in Excel. So
It's Excel, right?
Okay, and what did you get for that again?
0.922.
Okay. Oh, so you just use what is the standard deviation?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. Fair enough. Got it. What are you doing? Hi, I'm doing a group meeting. Who's puppy? It's Jason's. Who's Jason? Tina's cousin. Oh, Jason. Oh.
So I put for what is the T-score, I have negative 1.843.
Yes, me too.
Did you just get that from looking at the? You're fine. The Excel spreadsheet.
Do you want me to show? Yeah, because it has right there. It has variable 1, and then it has T, and then that's where I got the t-score, and then it has D-F. Do you
Mhm.
see all those?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then did you just look at what is under T, or did you do a
Mhm.
formula?
Nope, I just looked what it has under T.
Because mine says 427.9. That's why I was like, I don't get it.
Okay. So let me share my screen and make sure that,
I did it right, maybe.
yeah. So do you have yours? Oh, wrong one. Can you see my spreadsheet now?
Nope.
Now can you?
Nope.
Oh, that's because I forgot to hit share. Sorry.
Oh, no, you're good.
Okay,
there we
so
go.
I have it set up as confidence level,
Yeah.
and then null is 98.6. Type of
Oh.
test is less than.
Okay. That's why I didn't set that part. Okay.
Okay.
Negative 1.843.
Yep.
Perfect.
Okay. Thanks.
Yep.
Are you so tired?
Bye, Jack. And then what is the p-value? 0.0404 or 5 if we round. Yeah.
5.0.
0.041.
Round to 3 decimal places. 0.04.
0.040 is what it would be.
Yes, 040.
Yeah.
Me too.
040.
Yep.
Yes.
Oh, okay, perfect.
So big.
What is the correct decision based on this evidence?
Reject the null hypothesis because p-value is less than 0.05.
0.05. Yep. So if it's low, reject the null.
Mhm.
Yes.
And so null is typically determined as 0.05.
The
It's lower than
the alpha. The
the
alpha.
alpha. Yeah.
Yep.
Alpha
is
is
point-
low.
That's what I thought it's. Let me go. Yep, because it says alpha is 0.05.
Mm-hmm.
So we reject the null hypothesis.
Correct. Okay, and then okay, I'm putting in these new numbers. Okay, and the null hypothesis is 40. We are doing not equal to. Sorry, I'm talking to myself.
You're good.
Okay, so when it says significance is 0.01, that has nothing to do with the confidence level, does it? So are we supposed to put that at 0.99? Or is that two different things?
Sorry, question 11?
I don't know.
Because if we change, I guess their confidence level probably could, it only has to do with the confidence level down in that lower box, so it probably doesn't mess up our numbers at all anywhere else.
I wouldn't think so.
Okay, perfect. All right, so what is the p-value? And I have the p-value as 0.995.
Yes.
Same.
Yes.
Yep.
And
In this case, we would fail to reject the null hypothesis because it's greater than alpha, correct?
That's
perfect.
Yes.
Yep.
Okay.
You decide to try another alternative hypothesis. This time you use mu is less than 40 and you keep the same level of significance, does the p-value increase or decrease? Hi guys. So if it's less than 40, it would, sorry guys,
Decrease.
increase.
It decreased.
Decreased.
Why is that?
Well, so just, I mean, when I changed the type of test from not equal to less than, it went from 0.99 p-value to 0.50. And so it'd be a decrease in the p-value.
Did you like manually go in and do that or you just knew that?
I did it on the
Oh, okay.
sheet. So just where it says
Oh, yeah.
confidence level,
Okay.
null hypothesis type of test, you just do that drop down and you can tinker with it that way.
Okay. Yeah, I just didn't saw that it went down.
Mm-hmm.
Makes sense.
Okay. What decisions do you make?
Based off of new p-value.
Oh. So this one we fail to reject, right?
Yes.
Because it's still bigger than the 0.01.
Yes.
Yep.
Okay, good. That was a trick question. I got scared.
Okay. Alrighty. So then the last, well, number 15 at least. So now construct a 95% confidence interval for the true mean wait time between births at a hospital. What is the lower limit of this confidence interval?
Just one decimal plate.
Yes.
For me, 23.5.
That's what I have.
Is what I would have as well.
Perfect.
The last one. What is the upper limit of this confidence interval? 56.6.
56.6.
Yep.
That's correct?
Perfect.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to save all responses.
Alrighty. Let's submit this bad boy.
Yeah, no worries. Bye. So it's 23.3 and 56.6.
23.5, 56.6. And we did really good, in case you guys were wondering.
Oh, good.
Congratulations.
100% good, so.
What did I miss? Because I got like 94 point. I missed one.
Was it one of the first two questions? Because I don't.
Really?
Oh, I didn't change my, is the standard deviation known or is the sigma known?
Oh.
That's all right. That's me. I'll take care of it. That's so stupid. I can't believe I did that. Such an airhead. So have you guys been watching the videos that the instructor's been posting?
Our instructor or like the tutorial videos?
No, like our instructor. He has the class meetings.
I haven't.
No.
Yeah, me too.
Maybe I should. I don't know.
Well, they're getting hard, and he's really explaining, because he explains why the exams are so much harder than the quizzes. And we actually are we're going to have to start learning how to pull information out test to do. So just, thought I'd give you a heads up that, if you haven't watched them, they're kind of informative.
Okay.
That's good.
They help with that stuff. I know I've got a reminder set on my phone to start taking my computer to work so I can like join the meetings or something. So I don't know, just a heads up. So, all right, I will post this. You guys are rock stars. I appreciate ya.
All right. Thanks so much.
Hey, thanks, Danny, for posting.
You bet.
Yeah,
See ya.
thanks.
Have a good one.
Later.
Bye.
Bye.